Welcome to TSP University. We cover topics related to thrift savings plan benefits and retirement planning. If you are considering making a TSP withdrawal, there are several options available to you. First, it's important to note that as a separated or beneficiary participant, you have three basic methods of taking distributions from your TSP account: installment payments, partial or total distributions, and annuity purchases. You can choose to use one or any combination of these methods based on your preference. To begin the process of initiating a TSP withdrawal request, we recommend visiting the Living in Retirement section of tsp.gov and downloading the updated booklet, Withdrawing from Your TSP Account. This booklet provides information about post-separation withdrawals and the process of initiating a withdrawal request. It's worth noting that in-service withdrawals, which are withdrawals made from your TSP account while you're still working for the federal government, can have a serious impact on your TSP account. So, if you're not sure if you should make an in-service withdrawal, we recommend seeking guidance from one of our advisors. If you separated from service the year you attained age 55 and are deferring your pension until a later date, you can withdraw from the TSP penalty-free. However, it's important to be aware that this could result in a large tax bill, so it's always best to review further before making any major decisions regarding your TSP account. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on TSP and retirement planning. If you currently have a TSP account, you are eligible to speak with one of our advisors free of charge.